Man, it's windy today.
Look at that wind blowing that flag, man.
I can't find it. There it is.
Wow,
There's
look at that.
man, that wind is blowing that
Woo!
flag. Look at that flag blowing.
Man,
That wind is blowing, really blowing.
we're in Bastrop right now.
Yeah, Bastrop, Texas. Man. We're headed to Cedar
Creek.
Creek.